morning, good morning, good morning. In this particular video, we're going to go ahead and install X32 Edit and get it connected to our X or M32 mixer. Now we're going to come back to that same folder we started at the very beginning. We're going to come down to X32 Edit where we downloaded the X32 Edit PC. It's in a zip folder format. We're going to right mouse click it and we're going to select Extract All. We're going to check this little box right here that says Show Extracted Files when completed. And we're simply going to click Extract. And there it is, guys. This is a very, very small program. Here's the release notes. It's a PDF document, and I use Firefox to open up my PDF documents. That's why it says Firefox. Here is the release history, and here is the actual program itself. We're going to take this, left mouse click, and simply slide it over to our desktop. That's it, guys. At this point, we're going to double click it. Now, if we come up to Setup, we can see that on the connection, we have absolutely nothing listed here. And we're going to go over to the mixer now, and we're going to change this. Now, guys, just kind of watch what I do here. I've turned on the rack. We're on the home screen. We're going to go over to Setup. And normally we would be right over here on Global. We're simply going to tab over to where it says Network. Now, as you can see, the top is 217.175.19.1. We don't care what these numbers are. We're going to come down here to the bottom left-hand encoder. This is the first encoder. It says DHCP. It's grayed out right there. We're going to push it. Now, watch what happens to the X32 Edit screen when I push this again. And now we are connected to our mixer. We now have established the link. So as we can see now, right here is our rack. We're going to have some options here, and we're going to set these up just in a second. But the first thing I want to go over is the sync direction. This means the mixer to the PC or the PC to the mixer. If you want to take whatever's on the mixer and transfer it over when you start X32 Edit, you're going to select this. If you want to open X32 Edit and you want to have whatever you have running in X32 Edit at that time, and you want that to transfer over to the mixer, then you would select this one. And that's what we're going to do right here. We're going to go Auto Connect and Auto Sync. And then we're going to say Connect. Now, a couple things I want to point out here. If you look up here on the right, you'll see where it says A S16 Plus. That's because I have two S16s connected to my rack. We are now connected via X32 Edit to our mixer. Now, if we close this out and we open it again, you see, that's why we did the auto connect and the way that we want to transfer our information. And that's it. We are now connected again automatically to our mixer. Now, on the next video, guys, this is where the fun starts. We're going to go to channel 1. We're going to look at our routing. We're going to connect a mic up to channel 1. And we're going to produce audio from our input out through our main speakers over here, or our main output, using the master fader.